Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to Milestone BPO and Freelancing Jobs, your one-stop for freelancing and remote jobs opportunities since 2015. Today we're diving into something a little different. The future of work. Remote jobs with India and global countries on a high-paying project client globally successful over a decade. Yes, we're talking remote opportunities in the exciting world of AI and coding through our clients with Milestone BPO and Freelancing Jobs. Now, you know I'm all about that tech, and AI is the next big thing. It's everywhere, from the phones in our pockets to the cars we drive. And guess what? It takes talented people to build, train, and refine these systems. That's where you come in. Milestone BPO and Freelancing Jobs is connecting you with incredible remote opportunities to work on cutting-edge AI projects. Whether you're a coding ninja, a language whiz, or a detail-oriented editor, there's a place for you in this rapidly growing field. And the best part? You can work from anywhere in the world. Alright, let's dive in these breaking roles. First up, we're looking for all you coding gurus, especially in India. Our clients need your expertise to train AI models. This is where the magic happens, folks. You'll be working with languages like Java, Python, JavaScript, or C++, shaping the very foundation of AI. We're talking about a competitive hourly rate of $13.75, which translates to about 1,150 Indian rupees per hour. Of course, that can fluctuate a bit based on the exchange rate, but you get the idea. Your skills are in high demand. But hey, coding isn't the only way to get involved in AI. If you're a language expert, our clients need you too. Whether you're fluent in English, Hindi, Oriya, Gujarati, Malayalam, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, or Urdu, your skills are incredibly valuable. You'll be training AI models to understand and respond in your language, ranking responses, crafting compelling stories, and ensuring everything is factually accurate. This is about making AI accessible to everyone, and your contribution starts at $7.50 an hour, roughly 625 Indian rupees. And hey, if you've got advanced expertise, those rates can climb even higher. Just keep in mind the final amount in Indian rupees might vary slightly depending on the US dollar's exchange rate when you get paid. Calling all competitive coders. All right, competitive coders in Canada, the UK, and the USA, this one's for you. Our clients need you to create and evaluate AI-generated code. If you've got a track record in competitions like Codeforces, LeetCode, TechCrunch Disrupt, Hackathon, Microsoft Discover AI Challenge, Spark Post Hackathon, Lenovo X BGCA Hackathon, TreeHacks, Stanford, AI and Advanced Coding Challenges, Yandex Algorithm, Major League Hacking, MLH, your skills are in high demand. Strong ability to articulate complex technical concepts fluent in English, exceptional attention to detail, including adherence to grammar, punctuation and style guidelines, your skills are in high demand. We're talking about pushing the boundaries of what AI can do, and that kind of expertise commands a serious hourly rate, anywhere from 30 to 43 US dollars, which is roughly 2,500 to 3,600 Indian rupees. Again, these vary based on expertise skills assessments, location and expert requirements, and other factors. Higher rates may be offered to individuals with advanced degrees like PhDs. AI content review. Your eye for detail matters. Finally, let's talk about AI content review. If you've got a keen eye for detail and a passion for language, this one's right up your alley. Our clients need you to refine AI-generated English text, making sure it's accurate, clear, and engaging. Whether you're a writer, an editor, or just someone who appreciates good writing, your skills are essential. We're talking about a competitive hourly rate of 15 to 58 US dollars, which translates to roughly 1,250 to 4,800 Indian rupees. Keep in mind, those are approximate figures. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the exciting world of remote AI and coding opportunities with Milestone BPO and Freelancing Jobs. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, there's a place for you in this rapidly growing field. Ready to launch your remote career? Don't hesitate to reach out by email to genuineconversions@gmail.com to enroll with these great projects, where we support you with accounts both for Indian and global countries, which you can also work from India for higher pay. We secure your spot with verification process and legitimate accounts with clients team, and also offer you complete training and support you in clearing verification, assessment and training online, and you can independently work in the project with regular income. Our clients pay you every Tuesday, EST, Eastern Standard Time Zones, which you can get in your PayPal account by Wednesday morning 4 a.m. and get paid in your bank account in India by 11 a.m. That's where you can see the magical income begins, as you can work with daily login hours between 4 hours to 15 hours, with same kind of payment per hour, which is nothing less than $1,000 per week in US accounts that pays reasonably. Whereas Indian account pays you between $300 to $500 per week basis of regional languages and pay per country as important criteria in remote jobs. Add our email address genuineconversions@gmail.com as your direct line to these incredible opportunities and can answer any questions you have about Milestone BPO and freelancing jobs and Global Infosys BPO and ITEs. And trust me, our clients have got tons of other remote positions available. So even if you didn't see the perfect fit today, our blogger and YouTube channel updates can help you find it. So keep in touch with us via blogger on milestonefreelancing.blogspot.com and click to earncrypto.blogspot.com to keep updating your knowledge about new opportunities to grab ASAP. And trust me, our clients have got tons of other remote positions available. So even if you didn't see the perfect fit today, our blogger and YouTube channel updates can help you find it. So keep in touch with us via blogger on milestonefreelancing.blogspot.com and click to earncrypto.blogspot.com to keep updating your knowledge about new opportunities to grab ASAP. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Freelancing Jobs 71588 for more updates, job postings, and insights into the world of remote work. And as always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share with your family and friends and help them to learn and earn money online with high-paying remote jobs.